Good morning, dear students. Welcome to second class answer theory. In the first class, we have seen definition of set, examples, representation of set, also some types of sets. In this class, we shall see subsets, proper subset, also operations on set. First, we shall start with the definition of subset. The symbol which are written inside the bracket is used to denote subset. Given two sets A and B, A is said to be subset of B if x belongs to A implies x belongs to B. That is, if every element of set A is also an element of set B, then A is said to be subset of B. In this case, A may be equal to B also. Next, proper subset. A is said to be proper subset of B if every element of set A is also an element of set B, but A is not equal to B. Next, definition of superset. If A is subset of B, then B is said to be superset of A. Or if B is subset of A, then A is said to be superset of B. Let us see the example. We know that the symbol N stands for natural set, natural number set. Symbol Z stands for integer set, Q stands for rational number set, and R stands for real number set. Clearly, N is subset of Z, RZ is superset of N, Z is again subset of Q, Q is superset of Z, Q is again subset of R is superset of Q. R is superset of Q, R is superset of Z, R is superset of N. Next, let us see operations on sets. First one, union of two sets. Union of two sets A and B is given by A union B is equal to set of all x where x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Union is nothing but combination. Combination of A and B gives union of A and B. Next, intersection. Intersection of two sets A and B is given by A intersection B is equal to set of all x where x belongs to A and x belongs to B. X comes to intersection only when it is in both the sets. So this is nothing but, that means intersection is nothing but common elements of A and B, whereas union is combination of A and B. In union, we see the combination of A and B, whereas in intersection, we see the common elements of A and B. Next, difference of sets. A minus B, the difference A minus B is given by set difference. This is nothing but set difference. A minus B is given by set of all x where x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. Similarly, B minus A is given by set of all x where x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A. Next operation is complement. Complement of a set. Complement of a set is denoted by, if A is the given set, then complement of a set is given by A dash, and it is given by A dash is equal to set of all x where x belongs to U and x does not belongs to A. Here U is universal set and A is subset of U. Clearly we can see that A complement or A dash is nothing but U minus A. The elements which are not in A belongs to A dash. Next one is cardinal number of a finite set. We give the cardinal number only for a finite set. That you should remember. The number of elements of a finite set A is called cardinal number of that set, and it is denoted by n of A. Cardinal number of a set A is given by n of A. Here there is an example. See, if A is equal to A comma B comma C, since this set has 3 elements, cardinal number of A is, that is n of A is 3. Let us see some examples for union, intersection, difference, complement. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. First, A union B. As I already told, A union is nothing but combination of A and B. See, A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A intersection B. A intersection B is common elements of A and B. What are the elements which are common to both A and B? 2 and 3, right? So, A intersection B is equal to 2, 3. Then A minus B. A minus B, what is the definition for A minus B? It is set of all x such that x belongs to A, x does not belongs to B. Such type of elements are, it is singleton set, right? One belongs to A but one does not belongs to B. 2, 3 are in A but 2, 3 also belongs to B. So, in A minus B we have only one element which is 1. Similarly, consider B minus A. The set of all elements which are in B but does not belongs to A are 4, 5, right? 2, 3 belongs to B but 2, 3 also belongs to A. So, 2, 3 does not come to the set B minus A. 4, 5 belongs to B. Those element does not belongs to A. So, B minus A is equal to 4, 5. Next, A complement. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. To write A complement, I need universal set, right? For this discussion is considered, universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now A is 1, 2, 3. So what is our A dash? It is 4, 5. U minus A. U minus A is 4, 5. Similarly, B dash. U minus B. U minus B is 1, right? Cardinal number of set A. Since A has 3 elements, cardinal number of A is 3. B has 4 elements, so cardinal number of B is 4. Okay students, we shall see in the next class.